Joseph Yacino, Yada Chef in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And this great place I'm cooking in is Kitchen 953. It is Broward County's #1 shared professional culinary kitchen. So, scones, 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 whatever you want to say. The proper pronunciation is like gone, so it's scones. There seems to be this great mystery about scones, and I want to show you just how easy it is to make a scone and serve it with cream cheese and strawberries. So, what do you need? You need scones that are made. You need some room temperature cream cheese and some fresh strawberries. I have some strawberries here in the bowl, just mashing them up with, believe it or not, you can use a masher, you can use, this is a pastry cutter to cut up your dough, and so I'm just mixing this up. Pretty good. And we're just going to, again, mash this up, mix it up. You can use this with cream cheese. You can use whipped cream. You can use a double cream, whipped topping. I've even seen it done with some sour cream with a little bit of honey added or yogurt. Cut a couple of our scones. We're just going to spread the mixture on one. Then the other. Then you put it together. You can put some mint leaves. Serve it with some extra berries. How about a little bit of extra double cream? And so, here you have it. Scones with cream cheese and strawberries. I am Joseph Yacino. Thank you so much for watching.